On today's episode of F Around and Find Out, we're going to respond to an asinine video.
Unpopular fact, married iguanas is not medicine.
I don't feel like you know the difference between fact and opinion, bud. You're stupid showing. Let me see if I can go ahead here in my elevated state, try to teach you real quick what the difference is. Let me share some facts with you. I'm just going to list off some things real quick for you that have been 100% proven as facts. You got some issues with some high blood pressure, you ought to go ahead and throw some of the Lord's lettuce into your regimen with those Cheerios, because it's been proven to lower blood pressure both at rest and in stress. Let's say you got some inflammation and say you can't have NSAIDs due to whatever reasoning. I can't have them because of surgeries I've had. Not a whole lot of things I can have that reduce inflammation. The Lord's lettuce does. It's been proven. It's a fact. Then there's the folks with the anxieties. We all got some, I think. Some just more than others. Some of us are extra super blessed with the anxieties. But it has been 100% proven to be effective in treating generalized anxiety disorder, panic disorder, social anxiety disorder, obsessive compulsive disorder, and a big one, post-traumatic stress disorder. I knew you was going to get it. Then there's the folks with the tummy issues, got those gastrointestinal issues. See, the Lord's lettuce has again been proven in medical studies to help with these GI disorders, including irritable bowel syndrome, inflammatory bowel disease, Crohn's, ulcerative colitis, a whole bunch more. Weird, huh? Dealing with the shakes, got them seizures. You know what helps that? Lord's lettuce. Done been proven, folks, that it reduces the symptoms of and the frequency of said seizures. Facts. Now, this last but not least here, we're going to talk about cancer. See, my grandma had cancer. She passed away a couple of years before the legality of the Lord's lettuce here in the state of Missouri. This means she was going through chemotherapy, and she was getting real frail, real weak. She couldn't keep food down. She ended up passing away in a hospital bed, a fraction of the woman she used to be, because this ugly disease, cancer, ravaged her body, and she wasn't able to eat. She wasn't able to keep her strength up. Now, the Lord's lettuce has been proven to help those that have issues with nauseousness, and inability to eat, a lack of an appetite, an inability to keep food down. But even more astounding is that it has been proven, meaning it's a fact. It's not a question. It's been proven that the Lord's lettuce can help prevent cell growth and also induce cell death within cancer. You realize how amazing that is, and you're out here just talking some nonsense. Super flexible, got your foot in your mouth and your head up your ass.
You're getting elevated. You're not clean. I'm a dummy.
See, there was a study done that discovered that the Lord's lettuce is helpful for people who suffer from drug and alcohol addiction. There was a trial that was done that showed that the use of the Lord's lettuce reduced the stress-induced cravings, anxiety, and lack of impulse control that often cause people to relapse. It's almost like this wonderful little plant is out here helping folks that are dealing with addictions to get off of them. Anywho's, if and you're not following me, folks, you should be. We're out here trying to teach people the wonderful uses of this little plant and stop this unneeded and outdated asinine rhetoric. I don't have a mic. I have hemp lotion, though. I'm going to drop that. Bitch.